Imagine yourself in this 2009 Honda CR-V. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are automatic transmission, power steering, luggage rack, 4-wheel disc brakes, auxiliary audio input, trip computer, wood grain interior trim, front reading lamps, and remote engine start. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.